All right, so this is our juicer. I just took it all apart and I cleaned everything. So now I'm gonna show you how to put it all back together. So these two tanks right here, one's gonna go up in front to collect the juice. The other's gonna go in the back to collect the scraps. So go ahead and we'll slide this right here in the back. Now we've got the base piece. This base piece is gonna connect down here, and this is where the juice is gonna come out. So we're gonna wanna make sure that we get our back piece, which is going to push all of the scraps out of the back. We'll snap that right there into place, and then we're going to put this down into here. This will be our top pitcher where we're going to be putting all of the fruits or vegetables in the top, and we need to have this filter connected. All of the juice is going to go through this filter, so you're going to want to make sure that this is connected down here at the bottom. So you just press it down there like that, and we could put this down into here. You kind of just want to angle this handle out towards the back over here, and you'll feel it kind of lock in and twist it into place. And then we're going to take this centerpiece here, which basically is going to help crush the fruit and vegetables, and we're just going to push it down. So nice and easy. You'll kind of feel it lock into place. It's going to have some threads in there that it's going to push down into. Now we can close our lid up. And one more thing to mention here is this won't turn on unless you actually have this into place, because, you know, for safety reasons. So you got to make sure that's pushed in there all the way. Now we've got our juice container up at the front, and you want to make sure that you kind of push this forward, because the juice is going to all collect in here. And once you turn it on and the juice collects, you would press this open and all your juice is going to come out here into this cup. Then you can transfer it over to whatever. And then the final piece here is going to be this little handle, which is just going to help push the fruit and vegetable around. This is great because sometimes your fruit and vegetable will get stuck or will get pushed up, and you want to kind of smash it down. So having this up here on top. And that's how you put it together. So hopefully this helps you when assembling your juicer.